RDC Properties Limited holds a portfolio valued at 5.97 billion pula, about $439.3 million, across 7 countries. It was the first property fund to list on the Botswana Stock Exchange, and it remains the largest. The family that owns and runs it has been in the construction business since 1878. This is a remarkable story of a family that began building railway stations over a century ago and now controls a significant portion of the African property market. The Giachetti family established a civil engineering company in Italy in 1878. Their early work was rail infrastructure, and in 1916, they built the Napoli-Pozzuoli station in Naples, part of one of the first metro lines constructed in Italy. This company then expanded its operations to Africa in 1961, investing in Nigeria, and entered Botswana in 1970, 4 years after the country gained independence from Britain. Since then, the Giachetti family has been actively involved in the construction and property development sector in various African countries. RDC Properties was registered in 1992 and listed on the Botswana Stock Exchange in the same year, marking the beginning of their journey as a major player in the African property market. The company has managed to build a substantial portfolio of properties across 7 countries, showcasing their expertise and successful business model. This achievement is all the more impressive given the challenges faced by many companies operating in the continent. The significance of this property portfolio cannot be overstated. With assets worth over $439 million, RDC Properties Limited has become a cornerstone of the Botswana property market. This success story highlights the potential for international companies to thrive in Africa, provided they have the right business strategies and a deep understanding of local markets. Furthermore, the company's leadership in listing on the Botswana Stock Exchange underscores the growing interest in African property investment from both local and international investors. Historically, the construction industry in Africa has seen significant growth in recent decades. Following the decolonization period, many African nations began to focus on infrastructure development to support economic growth. The Giachetti family's entry into the African market during this period allowed them to capitalize on the demand for construction services and property development. By the 1990s, when RDC Properties was established, the continent was experiencing a boom in property investments, driven by urbanization and economic liberalization. Looking ahead, the Giachetti family and RDC Properties Limited face several opportunities and challenges. As the African property market continues to grow, the company will need to adapt to changing market conditions and regulatory environments. Additionally, the ongoing infrastructure projects in various African countries present significant opportunities for further expansion. Investors and industry experts will be watching closely to see how the company navigates these challenges and maintains its position as the largest listed property fund in Botswana. Subscribe to Kenya News. Update today for more breaking news.